Hi Pisces, welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be from June 16th to the 30th, 14 days. I'm sorry I'm a little late this time because I was a little caught up with some personal issues. So I'm going to be looking at your present energies, as in what's going on with you. And if that resonates, then probably the energies that I pick up for your outcome will also resonate. I don't read reversals, just clarifying myself. Also, I'll be ending the reading with a couple of cards from the universe as the guidance. Also, while you're watching this, please know this is general. It may or may not resonate with you. So please be open. And please know that you need to use your discretion while watching this. Okay, so let's see Pisces, what's going on with you currently. What's going on with you currently? Let's see. Okay. 3 of Cups, 7 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles. Okay. So Pisces, I see you wanting to be happy. You don't want any kind of nonsense around you. Any emotionally heavy thing is being rejected by you at this point. You're probably fed up and you are in the attitude of escaping certain things. You do not want to entertain anything that can harm your stability. You could have probably realized that this is what you want from your life and you want to maintain the status quo, like as in the balance, basically, whatever exists at this point. So you don't want to disturb that balance. You're not in that energy. You are okay to have light-hearted things around you. So basically this means that you do not want to entertain anything that is deep right now, Pisces. With the 3 of Cups, 7 of Swords and 9 of Pentacles, I'm seeing that you're not showing your true self to anyone right now. Probably what you're showing is not the reality. You're trying to hide it, maybe because of XYZ factors. Let me pick up some clarifiers. What is it? Okay, the World, but I'll pick up, comes back, we know it's a very strong message. What is it? What are you trying to hide? Confusion, 2 of Pentacles. You're trying to hide or probably you're trying to run away from some sort of a decision making. Yes, this could be to do with a person and you have to leave something behind to embrace something new and you are avoiding that situation. That's what I'm picking up for your current situation, Pisces. Pisces. So I feel that whatever is happening right now is a part of divine timing. If you're feeling the urge to run away, it basically means that the time to decide is coming closer. Alright, and that is why you're feeling the urge of running away from deciding on this. Okay, and you will get there eventually. I mean, escapism is never the solution. Okay, now if this resonates, let's see what can you expect in these 14 days to come. Energetically, what can we expect? Ace of Cups, 6 of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So you are running away from 2 offers. One is stability, the other one is happiness. and you probably could be conflicted which one to go for. You don't know. So you are running away from deciding, and even in these next 14-15 days also, I see you running away from deciding because you're not sure. You're not sure if this is exactly what you want or not. I am also seeing that maybe this whole idea of deciding has become so heavy on your mind that you want to put it on a standstill and you want to be in a spot where you don't have to take any kind of decision. It could have been very heavy energetically for you. So you're just wanting to relax for some time. And are you taking this decision finally in these 15 days? Let me see. You could be moving towards something that gives you emotional fulfillment than what gives you stability. What else? Let's see. Yeah, you will be moving towards the thing that gives you emotional fulfillment, because that's where your heart lies, and maybe the stability part of it could be missing in this emotional fulfillment. So that is why you're running away from deciding, because it's not giving you both. Could be. That's what I'm picking up. And that's probably the reason why your dilemma is increasing with each passing day. Yeah. 2 of Swords and 2 of Wands. So pretty much you are wanting to, you're not wanting to take the decision and hoping that the universe does something and you get guidance. You are in that energy. You will take 2 steps towards this emotional fulfillment, then again take a step back. Because you've not actually fully decided. It's not a hell yeah or no. Like, it's not like, yes, I want this. It's not like 100% conviction. That's what I'm picking up for you, Pisces. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you from the universe. Pretty interesting reading. Let me know in the comments. Advice from the universe to you. What is the advice from the universe to you? Address your addictions. Yes, important. Think through things. Give yourself time to think. But there is probably some kind of an addiction. Maybe addiction to stability, addiction to money. Probably that's the reason why you're not being able to choose fulfillment over stability. Maybe you have been in a very abundant situation and you can't leave that. I'm not getting into reasons, but that could be a factor that is stopping you from doing anything at this point. So think through it. You have to address your addictions. Probably that's the reason why this situation has come in your life, Pisces. Okay? Alright, so that is what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I really love reading all your comments, specifically for zodiacs, because this is like energy tapping, like very singularly. So I really want to know. Please leave your comments below. Also, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share the channel if my content resonates with you. Take care and I shall see you soon again. Bye.